Hello my friends, Enrique here with a really short tutorial for you guys. If your laptop is running a little bit slow, or even your desktop PC, you can make some changes inside of Windows to help your CPU boost higher. Right now we're in Windows 11, but this tutorial is going to work for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now, click into the search bar, type Power, and you want to open right here, Edit Power Plan. After the Windows opens, you want to click into Change Advanced Power Settings. Depending on the plan that you have, you want to change it for High Performance Act, even if you have it into Balanced or Power Saver. Click into it, scroll a little bit down until you find the Processor Power Management. Expand that menu as well, and here, depending on the system that you have, if you mostly have a newer system, you want to set both the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state to 100%. If your system is a little bit older, you want to change the minimum processor state to 0% and the maximum to 100%. After this is done, you want to click into Apply and into OK. When you are back into this window right here, before you close it, you want to go into the Power Options here above, click on it, and right here, make sure that you have selected the High Performance Power Plan, because this is the one that we modified previously. Select it and set it into Active, and now you can close this window. Now guys, this of course is going to give more power to your CPU, so it's going to be able to turbo boost higher and for longer periods. The consequence of this is that you're going to have less efficiency in your system, especially if you're using a laptop, and a lesser battery life. But if you don't really care about this at all, that you want is the full performance out of your system, or if you're mostly plugged into the wall, a second really small tip that you guys can do is to right click in your start menu, go into the Task Manager. In here you're going to be able to see everything that is using your CPU. Well, go into the Startup tab, and right here, these are almost all the programs that they're going to start at the same time as your Windows. If you don't really need all of them to open at the same time when you start Windows, what you have to do is to right click any of them and set it into Disable. Like this, they are not going to start once you open Windows, what it should give you lower boot times, and it's also going to be less processes and programs that you will going to have open, giving you a little bit more headroom into your CPU and memory. Well guys, that is pretty much it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is always welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.